Okay, you guys don't know what happened to me today. So like I told you earlier, I was supposed to leave Taiwan today, Taipei today, and go to Hualien for 4 days. And guess what? My train get cancelled. All the trains to Hualien get cancelled, so I have to stay in Taipei. So now I booked an hotel, last minute hotel. It wasn't that expensive, thank God, but the place is so cute. Let me give you a tour. When you enter, it looks like that. You have a chair, the big bed, the television, and I don't have any views. It's just like outside views, but that's okay. I don't really mind. And oh my god! And then this is the bathroom situation, and yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty cute. Yeah. And here you have the mirror. Là, ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais un peu me balader dans le quartier, voir un peu ce qu'il y a à faire et tout, etc. Et ouais, at least je vais découvrir un nouveau quartier. Let's go. Après avoir bataillé pour la trouver en M, j'hésite à prendre un S au final. Et je suis là. At that moment I thought my microphone was on, but actually not. But since I was on the phone with Ashley, I think, or I was listening to music, I don't even remember what I was doing. Oh my god! But that restaurant was good. Je suis partie faire mon linge comme une grande fille. J'ai pas mélangé les couleurs, j'espère que Matt est fier de moi. Là, je regarde baseball. What is going on in baseball? I don't know about the rules, but since I'm in Taipei, I hope Taipei will win. But I don't know. Can someone explain what is the rules for this game? Let me show you. There is 0-0. What is going to happen? Okay, they seems happy, so Taipei wins. I'm so confused, guys. I don't know. Beaucoup trop chaud. Hier il pleuvait, là il fait chaud, wesh. C'est quoi ces températures? What the hell? They just gave me. They're so kind. Oh my god. She knows her business. Wow, that's so pretty.
Beijing University, maybe your classmate in PhD class.
Will I find my husband? Will I find my husband there? I will find my husband there, a boy there.
But you not good for you.
Mm.
Do you know what is this?
No, what is it? Et maintenant je s'habille. Ça me présente pour le week-end. La question préférée que je vais faire de tout cet oseille. Tu es infamous parce que tu es ta grand-mère la prostituée. Disparition de David Carter. La police du Michigan.
Je suis redescendue. Apparemment j'ai enlevé mon t-shirt. Il fait chaud mais il y a du vent donc ça fait du bien. Et là j'ai juste envie de faire une sieste. Hi guys, this is my last day in Taipei. I'm leaving in about 3 hours. Taipei is so incredible. This is really good. I spent a lot of money in Taipei. I had a really good time here. I'm excited for Kaohsiung.